So I wanted to share with you one of the my favorite things that I have bought, and I bought this tool way back in the early 90s um, when I had my four-wheel drive vehicle. I needed something with a shovel and just wanted to be a little more utilitarian, and so I got the Fire Tool Max. And just the other day, the handle broke on me and I needed a replacement. Let me show you a little bit about this tool here and what they've done to improve it in the 19 years that I've been around with that company. So it's got a you got your axe on there, but what really changes is the game changer on there is this little attachment at the top here. And what this does is this accepts tools that go into the top of that. So let me share with you that little package of tools. Comes in this pouch, and the loops on the back here allow you to slide the axe in there and then carry it as a complete unit. So you can take that on the trail with you if you need to. All right. And have everything all together. But inside here, it's a 7-in-1 tool. And so you take that shovel, and I'm not sure if you can see the pin here, and then you put these cotter pins to hold that in place. So the shovel is based on the condition of that thing, I've used and abused this shovel for a very long time. But let me just show you here what the new improved axe. So I just replaced the shovels in a good place. So I just replaced the axe and the sheath because the sheath was worn off. And so this is the new improved. Got rid of the hickory handle for polycarbonate plastic handle. We'll see how that holds up. Still has it's very solid connection at the top here. I had to grind out mine to get mine to come out. I was originally gonna replace the handle, and they don't sell that handle anymore. Still got the receiver, and I was told that this receiver is the same size as the original, so it will accept my things. But they've improved this striking surface on the back, and so many times you'll use the back of an axe as kind of a mini sledgehammer. Well, they've actually reinforced that so that you can use that as an actual striking tool. So let me put this shovel on there. Just slide that into place, and then you slide the cotter pin in, and now you've got a pretty nice shovel out of it. All right, especially if you're trying to do the all-in-ones. Overall, I'm very happy with this tool. I'm glad that I found that tool in the early 90s and would happily purchase that again. The full tool kit, not only with the shovel, but it also comes with some other attachments in there. So you've got the hoe and rake attachment that goes on the end there, as well as a wide blade pick and a short blade pick, and then the spiked pick. So those are all the tools that come with it. Comes in the bag. Little place to keep all of your cotter pins And the other tool that's in here is the mount that holds the rake attachment in. So to make sure that it slides in the end and then puts pressure on that, make sure that attachment stays in place. Very happy with this tool. Currently they're selling for $275 from FireForestTools.com, and very happy. They do have a first responder military discount that was 25%, so it's very significant. Appreciate the easy customer service in getting my axe replaced, and I hope that I get another 20 years of use out of it. Thank you.